Hi everyone, this is Ruben with Villalux. Welcome to a new video, and today I'm taking you to the Javea port. Over the recent years, the Javea port has become more and more upmarket, while still maintaining its traditional Spanish charm. It is full of very beautiful boutique hotels, restaurants, bars. You've got these beautiful beaches with crystal clear blue water, and you even got a fresh fish market every day. And the good news is that our latest listing is at only a few hundred meters away from here. It is located in one of the most prestigious urbanizations in Javea. It's a beautiful townhouse and there are a lot of amenities, but don't just take my word for it. Have a look at it yourself. So here we are in Jardins del Gorgos, one of the most, if not the most luxurious urbanizations here in Javea. It's built in the late 2000s, so it's a very good building quality, and you can see that when you walk here. It feels like a resort. It has a lot of amenities. So we've got 2 outdoors pools, we've got an indoors pool, there's a padel court, a sauna, a gym, a jacuzzi, you name it. This has something for everyone, and it is a perfect place as well if you have younger children, because it's very private, it's gated, and it's very secure. So the townhouse I'm going to show you today, it is very special because properties in this urbanization rarely come up for sale. So I'm very excited to show it to you. Let's go inside. So we're coming in through the rear entrance. Right there at the back, we got the real front door, but this is definitely an entrance you will use a lot because we're just coming from the swimming pool. And the good thing is that the pool is actually a little bit further away from here. So in the busier summer months, you won't have much traffic passing by this garden, because that's what I could call it. Look at it. We've got this beautiful artificial grass, which is perfect if you have children. Nice barbecue area as well. Perfect place to enjoy the sun. And here we've got a covered seating area with an electric toldo. This is perfect to hide from the sun or from the rain, and it just looks very cozy. From here we go into the property because I really want to show you the quality. I mean, look at it. We've got this beautiful marble flooring. It has recently been polished. Same with the walls, they're all recently been whitewashed. We've got double glazing. Technical aspects, what we've got is integrated hot and cold air conditioning. There's zoned underfloor heating. And this property, don't forget, it is huge. It really has a good footprint. It is comparable square meters wise to some of the detached villas you see around, which brings me to the next thing, and that's the distribution. So this property is distributed over 4 different levels. Downstairs is a garage that is huge, it's immense, with endless possibilities. Right here, of course, we've got the ground floor. We've got a kitchen at the back. There's a separate bedroom right there, a bathroom, and of course, this beautiful living dining room. Upstairs, you can find 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and all the way on top, you can find a beautiful terrace, north and south facing, with gorgeous views, and a laundry room. Have a look at the floor plans. So we've just come up a level to show you these 3 bedrooms I was just talking about, and they really all have a good size. Right here we can find one of the bedrooms. The second one is right here on my left hand side. In front of me you can find a shared bathroom, and right here on my right hand side you can find the master bedroom. Again, a really good size. We've got this beautiful terrace at the front to enjoy your morning coffee. We've got built-in wardrobes, and right here we've got a very nice and high quality ensuite bathroom. Now, before we end this video, I wanted to take you up here to the roof terrace, and the nice thing about this terrace is that it is as well south as north facing, so it's perfect to enjoy all year round. And of course, we've got these gorgeous views you can see behind me of the pool, of this urbanization, the beautiful palm trees, Cabo San Antonio, and the Javea port. So I think this is the right place to end this video. I hope you enjoyed the home tour. If you have any other questions about this property or would like to arrange a viewing, definitely get in touch with us via the contact details down below in the description. And of course, as always, if you haven't already done it, this is the time. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we're putting out there.